Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fast Cars and Bike. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this cars videos, today I will show you a fast cars models ideas, my dear friends. Today I will show you a sports car, racing car and much more about latest and in fashion different colors of cars models ideas. My dear friends, if you have to follow our hottest models, high class men's, evening parties, boys, universities, fellow friend, businessmen's and senior citizens will most demanding these cars models ideas. All these cars models will change your personality and luxury your lifestyle. So my dear friends, let's talk about today's trending fashion about beautiful cars and all these cars will today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will followed more than other cars models like Lamborghini car, Audi car, Suzuki car, BMW car, hypercar, cities cars and much more about latest and in fashion cars models ideas. All these ideas will change your personality and luxury your lifestyle. So my dear friend, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social medias account like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of cars models videos do you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much you watching my all models videos from my channel. Keep on watching. Till then, take care. Please like, share and subscribe my all videos. Bye bye.